what's up guys? It's Dier here. You could probably tell by the intro that I look a little different. That's probably because I forgot to film one, but that's okay. The house that we're going to in this video is pretty unique. It was really nice, I could imagine, but it was being gutted unfortunately, so when we got there a lot of things were tore down and the house itself was falling down. There was one building in particular that we couldn't get to in the video, but that's only because it's got a bunch of sinkholes on the property. We're not trying to venture in areas where we can't see the ground very well. But yeah, if you do live around the area and you recognize the house in the video, don't disclose locations just for privacy concerns, obviously. But with that said, we'll hop right into the video and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, I'm not disclosing any location of this abandoned house, mainly because I don't know who owns it. I don't know much about this place because the place where my dad lives, where all these places are that we're exploring, you can't look up any history of anywhere, and if you do, I think they make you pay for it. But this house, from what I understand, has been abandoned since my dad was a little kid, and nobody's really been in it. I think for people who were remodeling it, but they quit because the land that it's sitting on is full of sinkholes. So this will be the first time anybody's been in it and really made a video out of it. So it's going to be really unique, but it's going to be kind of hard to get to it. So we got to cut a path to make it to the house. But anyway, the camera girl back here. We'll catch you whenever we get there, and we'll start from there. All right, what's up, guys? I'm not gonna disclose the location to this place, but just gonna give you an example. We gotta make a path getting here to this abandoned house. Oh my god, did you see inside of it? This house is huge.
Oh, look at the floor. It's all gone.
Yeah, probably fell in. This place is... Huh? Hey look, that goes into the upstairs. Yeah. Hey, there's a door over here. I wouldn't open that one. Yeah, there was a... You wanna go behind me?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? Yeah? Oh, I thought that was a door. It's a window.
Somebody stole the air unit off the house.
Yeah, the only thing left is the top.
Oh, there's Christmas lights on it.
Yeah, right there at the top. You ready?
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
This house is so grown up. Hey, it clears out back here. Yeah, I'm not gonna kind of promote this location. It's because people like to vandalize stuff, and I'm not trying to have all the places I go to get spray painted up. Just step where I'm stepping. Hey, there's a wall tore down right there.
I don't know where to go. I know, I just can't get to it. I don't know what's in there.
My window's open.
Huh?
Come through here and unlock that door.
Here. Hold that. Just double tap the screen.
Do you want me to hold the backpack? I'm the camera person now, so we're gonna go look at this little place right here.
Do you wanna hand it to me, or you wanna keep it?
Oh, never mind, not the camera person. False alarm, everybody.
Alright guys, this house is filled with sinkholes on the property. Just step over the gutter.
He's a welding dolly right here.
Yeah. This floor is gone. Did somebody take the floor?
Shut the floor valves when I wash it.
Come on. Shut that. Huh?
That wood right there. Some good stuff.
This house is falling in. Watch out, there's stuff hanging from like.
Somebody came in here and stripped off copper right there.
There is an upstairs. Yeah, that could have been a chimney. Come on. Yeah.
What they tried to do. I think they didn't underestimate the foundation. It's thick on rocks.
Oh man. Yeah. Oh, that's wonderful. Let's get away from the waspis. Oh man. This is a little sketchy. Here's the other room.
Somebody was trying. They took the chimney out. They took the fireplace out of here. And they were trying to make a bigger room is what they were doing. I was going to put a closet right there. Boy, can't find it.
No, this railing is like really old.
Hardwood floor.
Be careful coming up the steps.
That's another room all its own right there.
Ooh, it's getting hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
That was the attic. There's a little crawl space there, where that was it, where the chimney got taken out.
That's where you're stepping.
Yeah.
It's got that sag in it.
You think this is where another chimney was?
Yep. That was the fireplace that you got. Downstairs. That was the one you looked at.
I would go this way. This floor is kind of.
I'm not going that way.
This place is. Man, you know how long it's been since somebody's probably been in this house?
Somebody was trying to put it back together, and they gave up or got overextended.
Oh shit! There's a spider above my head.
Something. I don't know what happened.
I don't know.
But it's sad this house went to crap. I mean, really.
It's just everything's so growed up.
It's in a good location. They were trying, well, they took in chimneys out, is what happened. They took the chimneys out and didn't fix the roof. And they got flooded. You wouldn't have went through this much trouble if you wasn't gonna salvage this house. But they let it go. They sure did. This thing got a tree right here, look at that. That beam.
These steps are very old. Go out the front door.
About there. Right here.
Everything's so grown up. We had to cut a path to get to here.
Yeah. Somebody's trying to get out of a chair. Somebody was going to try.
So old it has stones holding up the house foundation.
Okay, there's all them beams under there. The house isn't sitting on the foundation. That was second on them. The foundation's more concrete with rock. I mean, brick. Block on it.
So there's a second building?
Yeah, it's a little shed. It's not a building.
Sit over in there, but you can't get to it. And you don't trust that yard, set yard.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in that yard.
There's sinkholes everywhere though.
Yes, everywhere.
Oh, I fell.
Somebody was throwing all these in here.
This thing keeps touching my hat. It scares me.
Somebody's
Little panic.
drinking copper.
Not a lot of people are gonna want to climb through a window for a house that's falling down. But yeah, guys, I don't want to disclose the location because the ground underneath this house is falling through because of sinkholes, and I don't want to promote injury. You're stuck. Ugh. Passing where the AC unit used to be. Would have been. This is how grown up it is. Can't even see the upstairs really. They had a nice little walkway, but you can't get to it. You gotta like crawl through this brush. Alright guys, if you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. You really help support the channel. If you like the content, hit the bell down below to get the notification whenever I drop a new video. This video is a little late, unfortunately, because I've been dealing with a lot of personal issues, trying to get things organized and get things done, and had some events happen. But stay tuned guys, to the upcoming videos are going to be awesome, and we'll leave it at that.